Hello everyone, I'm DJ Logan and this is day 4 of the summer scheme with Keeper Let. Today we are going to the Tato factory in Tandragee. There we have a guided tour of the famous crisps factory.
Guys here, I'm going to go through a safety brief with you. So this is to keep you safe and to keep our product safe whenever we're up the stairs. I know everybody read their terms and conditions, you know, when they ticked that wee box that said, yes, I have read and understood this. The biggest lie ever, it really is. Yes, I know what we're talking about, yes. So, you all know that we're not allowed anything in our pockets, and we're not allowed to wear any jewellery up the stairs. Plain band wedding ring, or any rings that have stones in them, that's okay. All watches, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, everything like that must come off and go into your bags now. We're not allowed to wear them up the stairs. Also not allowed anything in pockets either. So, phones, keys, money, spiders, frogs, strange things that boys happen to have in their pockets. So we all need to come out. Now, we're going to hold on to your cameras for the time being. Mr. Tato is going to be coming down making a guest appearance. So make sure you have your cameras somewhere handy that you can take it. I know that's the only reason all of you came. Okay, so watches, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, everything like that off. We do have, there are people upstairs in orange high-vis vests doing stop checks, so they can stop anybody at any time and ask them to turn out their pockets or check for jewellery as well. Anybody found with anything that we don't know about in their pockets, that's just everybody. So as I was saying to you, Mr. Taylor's going to come down and get a few photographs taken. Pat loves a good selfie, by the way, loves it. So he's been, what was he having this morning, Lenore? Oh, he's done cocoa pops this morning. And some nice tea and tea. Proper breakfast tea. Oh yes, Earl Grey. Oh, Earl Grey. Ah, delicious and grandeur there. Alright everybody, so I want you to shout all together at the same time in your biggest, loudest voices. Good morning, Mr. Taylor. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Mr. Tato.
Was it good? Definitely was. We're getting closer to the weekend, so it's getting better. So I want you all to shout a wee bit louder. He's a wee bit. He is a wee bit. Whatever you say, he doesn't actually have any ears, so it's vibrations he's going through. So let's try it again. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Mr. Tato.
No, he doesn't have any ears. So everybody, you're very welcome to get your photographs taken with Mr. Tato. Do you want to take your group? So when you walk upstairs, you're going to be split into groups. Some of you are going to be going with Kieran. Some of you are going to be going with Lenore. And some of you are going to be going with Jenny up in the shop there. Yes? Alright, so make sure you stay behind your tour guide. They'll know where's safe for you to go. Different floor surfaces as you're on your way around. In the frying room at one end, the oil can sometimes settle on the ground and that can make it a little bit slippery, so be aware of that. The other end where the peelers and the slicers are can sometimes be wet with maybe good holes in those down. So as I said, just be aware of the different floor surfaces as you're on your way around. You will get to try crisps when you're up the stairs. If you like them, eat them. If you don't like them, you don't have to eat them. I don't want anybody thinking that just because you've got these crisps that you absolutely have to eat them. You don't. Having said that, if you would like more, I'm quite sure everybody's going to be very willing to help you out there. We do make a lot of other companies as well as ourselves here. So if you see anything up the stairs that you maybe haven't seen before, you haven't tried before, make sure you let your tour guide know. I'm sure they'll let you have a wee sample of that as well. In the event of any bells ringing or lights flashing, stay calm, stay behind your tour guide, and they'll get you to somewhere safe. If anybody feels unwell on the tour, make sure you let your tour guide know. Please don't wander off by yourselves. So as I was saying, stay behind your tour guide. We're also going to be searching for a responsible adult. I don't fancy your chances today. To walk at the back of the group and keep everybody together. Has anybody any questions? No?
For health and safety reasons, we're unable to bring the recorder around the factory. However, Alec did get a chance to meet Mr. Raymond Hutchinson, who is the owner of Tato, as we were leaving, and asked him this question.
How many potatoes can you store in one of those tubs a day?
Those hold about a ton weight when you bring them in, and as the season goes on there's shrinkage, so if you brought potatoes in October and kept them all year, it would be 90% because of evaporation, etc.
Anybody think of the potato factory?
Potato has changed me.
I thought the Cheeto Factory was really good. Although it was not my first time being there, I did go with school when I was in P6, 7, I don't remember what class it was. But it was pretty fun and it's great to be back. And another thing that I like to say, Jason, who takes us for boxing on a Monday night, works there, that's his full-time job. Boxing is his part-time job as well, so it was good meeting him as well.
Hey, as a reference so you understand why Tato has changed her, she is still wearing her apron and hairnet.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
That's a good.
It doesn't. No, we couldn't see that, but it was a good move.
Look up Tato hairnet.
Potato has changed me.
There we go. Hashtag Tato.
Hashtag
Tato has changed me.
Hashtag
I'm now a male.
What was your favourite flavour?
Cheese and onion.
Cocktail.
Actually, I like the high fives, the bacon one, the bacon corn.
Walkers.
You can't say that.
Pringles.
Did anybody like the ones without any flavour?
I like the ones that were warm and had no flavour.
Yeah, I preferred them.
I like the ones that are going to get me summer loot boxes. Hashtag Overwatch.
No, I'm feeling your podcast.
I love Tato, hashtag Call of Duty.
And everyone was very friendly.
Really? Were you on a different tour?
Hashtag we'll get a
Well, what did you think?
I thought it was very good, but it could have been better.
Yeah. What did you think?
Oh, it was alright, but the probably highlight was seeing Jason. He talked better.
Lunch today, we visited Ballydugan Pottery.